The Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions, DPP, has recommended that a policeman be charged in connection with a January 2024 incident in White River, Portland. The officer has been identified as District Constable Cavell Minot. According to the Independent Commission of Investigations, INDECOM, the recommended charges stem from an alleged domestic assault involving a woman and a child. Investigators say District Constable Minot assaulted both complainants during the incident while the woman was reportedly holding the child in her arms. Both later sought medical attention. A trial date is expected to be set in the coming weeks. Indicom notes that since January 2024, 53 law enforcement officers have been charged following investigations carried out by the oversight body, 25 of them in 2025 alone. 3 employees of the St. Catherine Municipal Corporation have been taken into police custody for questioning following an operation earlier today. Jamaica News Page Tonight understands that the municipal corporation requested police intervention after concerns were raised about an alleged misappropriation of funds. Head of the St. Catherine North Police Division's Senior Superintendent Hopeton Nicholson confirmed that the workers were detained and are now being questioned. He noted that the investigations remain active. Jamaica News Page Tonight, news powered by viewers like you. We invite you to click subscribe and tap the notification bell to stay connected. Thank you for connecting.